reach the 5,000 subscriber mark. That's so cool. It's amazing. This video is for you. So thank you for being part of this beautiful journey. I really enjoy making all the videos and sharing with you everything that I learned. And I learned a lot with you guys. So this video, I'm gonna tell you a little bit about how I make the videos and edit it. It takes forever. And a little about numbers, the amazing numbers. Let's start it. Okay, I want to share with you some numbers. Yeah, numbers and places. I am so impressed because there's so many beautiful countries those videos are going to, they travel all over the world, and that's so cool. I wish you could do the same. Well, let me start telling you one thing. I do most of the editing in here. Samsung Note. It has a pen, and I use those little finger gloves. Have you ever seen it? They're so cool. Yeah, they protect your finger because I have to do it a lot like this. See, I have to move it, I have to edit it, and let's put some music here. And then we got music now. They're cool. But basically, I create the video, I imagine in my head how it's going. Sometimes it's so easy to do it, but sometimes it takes forever. Like this video is kind of hard for me because I don't know exactly what you would like to see, you would like to know. So I just gonna tell you how I do the videos and just tell you all the great places that these videos are going to. So after I create it in my head, I research for all the images that I need to make the video. Sometimes it's easier, sometimes it takes longer. Behold, it's like an hour for each minute. Yeah, that's exactly what you heard. It takes at least 1 hour for each minute of video edited. It's a lot, isn't it? What I love about the quick tips is that I don't have to research too much because there are little things that I want to share with you. So they're much easier to do and much faster to edit. And I think they have great tips and great things to pass on. So I really like them. Actually, the videos that I like most are the quick tips and the cinematography, I think that's how you say it, videos. They're hard to do. They take a lot of time because I have to produce them, the whole video in my head, all from one scene to the other. I have to think about it, I have to plan about it, so I have to put everything together before I do it. So that's why we don't have as many as I would love to have it. I always edit on Kinemaster Pro. It's easier. Yes, I could edit on my computer, but that means that every time that I travel, I would have to take the computer with me. And this way, I can edit on my tablet, or what I do a lot is to edit on my cellular phone. In this case, it's a Note 20 Samsung, and it works perfect. Let me tell you what I love most about this channel. When I started 2 years ago, was because of COVID. So everybody was at home and I want to do something, I'm a photographer, so I love images. I love to share the beautiful moments that I incur, in the nature. I love it, sunrises. Oh, so neat. So I start doing the channel, and you guys start to participate so much. It was so cool. I loved it. Thank you very much. And start growing, and now we have 5,000 subscribers, because it's like 37,000 views per month. It's great. I love to make the videos. Sometimes I get lazy on editing. Yes, because it takes such a long time, you know, like an hour for each minute. Sometimes it takes like 2 weeks to make a video. Yeah, I know. When you look done, it doesn't look like, but it takes forever. I try to do my best, you know. I try to make it as fun as possible, as quick as is possible. And I'm studying English, so I can be a little bit better, you know, when I speak. Not as many mistakes as in the beginning. We always do mistakes. I'm sorry. Yeah, I wish I was perfect, but I'm not. So anyway, let me share with you all the beautiful countries. There's so many countries. It's amazing. Let me show you. Okay, I'm gonna share with you the inside of my channel. Yes. And for my surprise, let me show you. We have this month 4,000 views. That's so cool. But that's the highest I ever had. And this month we had 183 new subscribers. And for the first time, I'll earn $149. Yes, I do earn some money. Every 1,000 views, I earn a little bit of money. It's so like for 40,000 views, I earn $149. Cannot live with it, but it's so cool. I save it to travel or to buy new equipment. So thank you very much. I do appreciate when you watch the videos, when you like them, and especially when you subscribe. And now there is a new way that you can support the channel. It's called Super Thanks. This month I got $4 from the Super Thanks, which is so cool. I love when you guys support the channel. Okay, this is my favorite part. Yes. This is the part that tells me all the different countries that watch the videos. Check it out. United States, Australia, United Kingdom. That's easy, right? Then we start. Kazakhstan, Canada, Switzerland, Nigeria, Israel, Germany, Norway, Singapore, New Zealand, Netherlands, Sweden, Denmark, Belgium, France, Hong Kong, Austria, Finland, Italy, Spain, Ireland, South Korea, Chile, United Arab Emirates, Taiwan, Latvia, Japan, Estonia, Puerto Rico, Brazil. Brazil, it's all the way down. Yeah, I have like 1% of Brazilians. Yeah, I know. Sorry. Vietnam, Czechia? Yeah, I'm sorry. Libya, Gibraltar, Slovenia, Hungary, Jersey, Slovakia, Portugal, Poland, Croatia, Thailand, Lithuania, Saudi Arabia, Malta. That was cool. Iceland of Man. I didn't know that exists. Guatemala, Dominican Republic, Greece, Iceland, Malaysia, Panama, Argentina, Mexico, Bulgaria, Colombia, Luxembourg, French Guiana, Kenya, Nepal. Oh, I love Nepal. So cool. Romania, India, Philippines, South Africa, Egypt, Bolivia, Uruguay, Sri Lanka. They're cool. Indonesia, Kuwait, Bangladesh, Morocco. It's amazing. Bosnia, Herzegovina. I'm so sorry, I'm trying. Peru, Costa Rica, Serbia, Lebanon, Ukraine, Liechtenstein, Liechtenstein? Yeah. Cyprus, Turkey, Uganda, Pakistan, Guam, Iraq. If I didn't say the name of your country, please write down on the comments because it's so cool. The world is beautiful and so big, and the videos go all around. Is that cool? Oh, I love it. So now you know, for each minute that you watch, I was sitting here or in my office for an hour. Kind of, sometimes it's 2 hours. Thank you very much for being part of it. It's amazing. Let's reach the 10,000. And another thing that I love is when you guys make a question that I can answer with the video. That's so cool because sometimes we do know things, but we are not sure if other people would like to know what we know. We just learn, you know. The quick tips, sometimes it amazes me because some tips that I make the video, I say, oh, that's a great one. And other one like, another like, and some others that I think, wow, that's simple, but let me share it because, you know, it's good to learn and people get amazed, so we never know. Once more, thank you for being part of this beautiful journey. And if you didn't subscribe yet, please do. You know, let's grow. Bye-bye.